People who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. You know, when I tell the Shazam story, the most common question I get is, Chris, did you ever want to give up? 18 years from the idea to selling it to Apple? Did you ever want to give up? And then I think to myself, no. I realized I never wanted to give up. I always felt like we're going to get there, just another year, just another year. We're eventually going to get there, and then there's going to be a day when everyone uses Shazam. So think how you can defy barriers when you have this big new idea. It's going to feel like that system is set up to stop you, like a prison. And how do you power yourself through all these things? Because these are hard things to do. So you make it personal, you feel the impact of what you do. The most rewarding moment of Shazam for me was actually not that long ago. I was in a little grocery store, and I was waiting in line, and suddenly the person in front of me said to the cashier, "Hey, what's that song?" And the cashier said, "I don't know, let's Shazam it." And then these two strangers who didn't even know each other start Shazamming a song together, just inches in front of my face. And I didn't say anything, but I just thought to myself, wow, thank you very much.